Guys, look at my Sheen order. It is going to be $100 in savings. So I'm going to show you guys how to get a working Sheen promo code just like me and save big. So let's get into the guide. The first thing we need to do is go to this site, ogsnags.com. They have all these discount codes and stuff. So let me just go to the search bar and type in Sheen. And as you can see, it says Sheen coupons. So just go ahead and press on show coupon code. And it's going to load right here. So yes, it actually works, guys. So it's going to say get full code. So press this and it's going to redirect you over here. So as you can see, it says get $500 towards shopping at Shein. What aspect do you like the most? So I'm just going to say free returns or trendy styles, whatever. So now it's going to say sign up to get started. We use your email to notify you. So let me just put in my email address right here. So after you enter your email, just press continue. It's going to say activating your reward. And then we should be on the way to getting the free Shein gift card. Now, it is going to have you do a survey. So this is pretty simple. So let's do the survey right here as you can see. All right. You might have to register and like put in some information as well. So don't get scared if you see that. So I'm just going to answer all the surveys. So let me just do this right here. All right, let me just do this right. I don't know how to do this honestly. Um, all right, I don't know. This stupid pet birth date question. Well, anyway, guys, try to do the survey. I messed it up, so I'm just gonna press skip. And at the end, you see I agree and continue. Press these, and then the final step is the deals. So the deals are very important, guys. This is like the main way you get the Sheen code. So as you can see, it says survey done, optional offers finished, and now we have the deals. So let's go ahead and complete the deals. So here it is, complete deals. So as you can see, it says complete one deal to continue. So we have these apps. Basically, I would recommend doing the apps. So for instance, none of these are actually apps, I think, but they're all $0. So audiobooks, free trial, you just press do you have it and it tells you how to do it. Then they've got this one, Hulu 1 month free, and it just tells you how to do it. So complete one deal to continue. So just do one of the deals and you will get your free Sheen code.